guys, Angel here, and today we have the iPhone 11 unboxings. I'm so excited for these. I got two, one in white and then one in purple, and then I have some cases here. Alright, let's first unbox one of them first. Alright. Let's see where what is this? I'm very excited for these models. I got both models in 128 gigabytes. Okay, and here we have the first model. Do this. Like so. There we go. We got the iPhone 11 in purple, 120 gigabytes. Let's put this to the side. And then let's unbox the white one. Like so. Very excited. I got two cases from Autobox from Apple. It's only at Apple, so I got two of those. There we go. This is the white model. I really like the packaging of this. As you can see, purple and then in white, and then they're both in white. They have their different colors, one in white and one in purple for the Apple logos. Like I said, 128 gigabytes. They make it very, Apple makes it very easy to peel this off. We'll make it silence. So satisfying. We'll put the iPhone 11 purple to the side. Now the iPhone 11. That's that. Alright, now we have both models, iPhone 11 in purple and in white. Let's unbox the purple one first. Let's put this to the side. The knife, we don't really need the knife anymore. There you go. Very satisfying. And as we can see from the boxing, the iPhone 11 is in the front with the back facing. You can see the both cameras, and we can see that the Apple logos is in the middle. Let's do this. We'll put the phone to the side. Very nice. Very elegant too. And put this side, and then we have designed by Apple in California. All the manual, and then your Apple stickers, of course. Unfortunately, no colored Apple logos, but that's fine. We'll put that to the side. And we have your usual, your 5-watt charging brick, your earbuds, your Apple earbuds with the lightning. Unfortunately, no dongle this time, no adapter. It's just the earbuds. And then we have your lightning to USB cable. And that's pretty much for the packaging. Pretty simple. Apple is very good at designing very elegantly. Alright, let's put that to the side. Now we'll do the iPhone 11 in white. Same packaging, of course. Your iPhone 11 in the front. Very nice. I like the white very much. It's very aesthetically pleasing and very minimal. Very nice. Of course, you're designed by Apple and your Apple stickers. Same packaging as well, earbuds, and then 5-watt, and then your lightning cable. And that's pretty much it for the iPhone 11 boxings. As you can see, iPhone 11, purple and white. We'll take off the screen, the plastic screen right now, screen protector. Now let's get the cases. Let me get my knife again. There we go. Just want to. There we go. So we got the iPhone 11 aluminum case, our box. I got them both in blue, and then it has like a glass from the back. Let's just unbox this real quick. Pretty simple. Shouldn't be that hard to. There you go. This is the Apple case. In the outer box. You see the blue and then the back. Same thing for this in black and then the white. Alright, now we could do the most satisfying part. That's so satisfying. Alright, I'll just clean this up, and then we'll we'll set up these phones. Alright, now we're going to set up the iPhone 11 in white. right now I'm turning on the screen and we'll be prompted to the hello message right now. For my first impressions, it's very nice. I like the camera. There's not really a big bump. It's very thin, I guess. Okay, now we got the hello. We're gonna swipe. Of course, we're gonna want English. United States, of course. Set up manually because I don't have a iPhone before. Choose the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna do this real quick. Alright, now I'm back. I got the Wi-Fi. It's prompting me. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone, so I'll just wait a couple minutes for fun. Another, like I said, impressions. The cameras, both of them. Luckily, the iPhone comes fully charged, so that's very good. Alright, data privacy, continue. Face ID. This is the most coolest part. I'm gonna try to show it on my face too. I'll do this. So how to set up your Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles on your face. So I'm gonna do that real quick. There you go. First scan. Now there's another one. There you go. It's all set up. Face ID is already set up. Continue. Create a passcode. Let me do this real quick. Alright. Okay, entered my passcode. Now it's just loading. Store. Okay. Apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data. I'm just gonna put don't transfer apps and data. Apple ID. I'm gonna enter my Apple ID. Alright, now it's giving me a prompt. Express settings. You can use this. I'll just put continue. Yes. Get the latest features, security, and improvements by updating iOS automatically. I'll put it up later in a wallet. Keychain. Don't use it. Put this. Continue. Siri. Alright, now I have a Siri activated. Screen time, yes. Don't share. I'll put continue, and then this is the new iOS 13 feature. If you want dark mode or light, I'm personally gonna do a dark mode for the new look. This is how it looks. It's a more darker themed. Display zoomed. I'm gonna just keep it standard. Yeah, we already know this. Welcome to iPhone. Alright, and now it's all set up. Alright, well, this is it for this video. It's pretty long, but I hope you guys enjoyed the setup and the unboxing of the iPhone 11 in white and in purple. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells so you guys get notified when I upload. Alright, peace.